Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need an updated iPhone 14 and an Apple ID before we start. First, confirm iOS 16 or later and that cellular or Wi-Fi is active. Then go to Settings and sign in with your Apple ID if you haven't already. This links your identity to iMessage. Once signed in, navigate to Settings, scroll to Messages, and toggle iMessage on. You'll see Waiting for Activation briefly. This is normal as Apple verifies your account and number, so be patient while it processes. After iMessage turns on, open Send and Receive to choose which phone number and email addresses you want others to reach you at. This ensures your messages use the correct identity. Make sure your phone number is checked and any verified emails are selected. Next, confirm Send as SMS is enabled so messages fall back if iMessage is unavailable, and toggle MMS for group messages and media. Also link FaceTime under Settings to keep the same contact points across calls and messages for consistency. Finish by restarting your iPhone 14 to clear temporary glitches and let activation complete. If iMessage still shows an error, sign out of your Apple ID in Settings, then sign back in to force reactivation. Make sure you receive SMS messages on your device since Apple sends a verification SMS. If problems persist, check Apple's system status and confirm your carrier supports SMS and iMessage activation. Sometimes a short carrier outage blocks activation. One key tip: ensure date and time are.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.